My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
Alright, we got Yeezy 700s dropping in a few minutes. Let's go. I just hit on the Soul Harvester. This is so stupid, bro. Alright, so a bunch of the Yeezy 500s came in the mail today. Pretty standard, nothing really special about this 500 in particular. We have a lot of drops today. Yes, got one. Got 3, dude. Oh my god, I just got another one. We have Supreme box logos dropping. Oh, click and hold the circle to continue. What is this? Just go through. Just go through. It is almost 3 a.m. A lot of people are speculating that Emilio Pucci is going to be dropping Supreme box logos in about 4 minutes. Hopefully, I didn't wake up this early for no reason, because there are going to be more drops a little bit later on throughout the day, and I'll be absolutely wrecked by the time that comes around. But yeah, Supreme box logos, hopefully they do drop soon, because I'm not really trying to stay up. Okay, the time is 4:14. It looks like the website did load in the products, however, apparently they loaded out of stock. Alright, so Flare AIO is one of the very few bots that absolutely destroyed this release. It didn't even occur to me to run this bot. So as soon as checkout started to roll in, I tried to learn how to use the bot as fast as possible, but I think it was way too late. Checkouts basically stopped. Staying up was a complete waste of time. I should not have done it, because the next few drops is going to be in 2 hours. We have Yeezys dropping, we have Kobe's dropping, and we have more Dunks dropping. The main one I'm going to be focused on are the Yeezys, and maybe I'm going to go for a few websites for the Dunks. Hopefully we don't end off the day empty-handed. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm not going to go for the 7 a.m. releases. I'm going to try to get at least a little bit more sleep, so hopefully I can function a bit better. I'll see you at 8 o'clock. Oh, I just realized I have a bunch carded on mech. Better go through. Got one. Got one on Sole IO. Got one on Dash. Oh, got one on Ganesh. How many am I at so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fraud? Got one on Sole IO. I should have gotten a lot more. What the heck? Oh my god, dude, Ganesh is actually going crazy right now. It's just like the checkout attempts keep coming in. Yo, Ganesh is kinda going nuts. Okay, looks like that's about it for Yeezy supply. I think I have 9 pairs, which is not bad, but it's not ideal. In about 15 minutes, we got Shopify, so I gotta start setting up for that. Oh my god, my captures are so good. Bro, I've never gotten captures so good before. Checking order on 3? No way. Checkout expired? No, man. Oh, got 1. Got 2. Got 3. Oh, dude. Balco's crazy, man. I'm back on Shopify, man. I'm back on Shopify. Oh, just got another one on Kith. Okay, I think that is about it for me for today. Surely there's going to be more stuff dropping at 11, but I'm just skipping it. So out of all of those checkouts, only 2 of them got canceled, which is pretty good. By the way, I never got a chance to announce that AYCD is now actively sponsoring my content. Honestly, this is a piece of software that I cannot live without when it comes to my botting operations. That's how I jig, generate, and manage all of my billing profiles. That's how I manage all of my Gmails. That's how I manage my AWS servers. In a nutshell, this makes setting up a lot of bots extremely easy. And when it comes to some platforms such as Yeezy Supply, their AutoSolve add-on paired up with various bots has been extremely helpful for me. You guys have been seeing the results, they've been pretty decent. So this is definitely a product that I recommend for people that run heavy, or if you find yourself setting up your bots for way too long because of how many profiles you have and how many servers you have to manage. I would definitely give this a try, and it might make your life a lot easier. You can use my discount code BOTTERBOYNOVA to help save you some money on your subscription. The Sakai Blazer lows came in the mail today, and my goodness, these are super ugly. Not exactly the biggest fan of these, so I'm just gonna try to sell them right away. We got some shoes in, we got some of the Yeezy 700 Enflame Ambers, and we got some dunks. First up, let's have a look at these Yeezy 700s. Pretty nice looking shoe, however, I'm not that crazy about it, but it's a Yeezy 700, so can't really go wrong with that. On the other hand, we got these dunks. Normally I would say you can't go wrong with dunks, but this is just not it for me. I'm not really sure what the vision was behind this, but it's kind of just like flashy in a bad way and bland, which I don't know how you can manage to do, but it's just not for me. Okay, today we have Ambush Dunks dropping. These are going to be crazy limited. Stock is going to be under 100 pairs for the website that I'm going to be going for. Chances of me getting this is like slim to none. However, if I do get amazing captures like I did last drop, then I might be able to get one. I really hope I get one because these sneakers look amazing and I want to be able to get them in hand. Let's see how I do. Basically what I needed to happen there was for me to get a 3-click captcha. That's why you saw I had a lot of hesitation in completing the captcha puzzles, is because I was looking for the one with a 3-click captcha and none of them had a 3-click captcha. So yeah, ended up taking an L for Shopify. Hopefully though I pick up a restock, but with the amount of people running restocks, it's highly unlikely. But I do have one last chance on Nike. I am not botting Nike. If I actually manage to get these on Nike, I'm gonna keep it, man. Like, I think this is a sick shoe. Wasn't able to get these, but I'm not too upset over it. Stock was really low, I'm just definitely not enough to go around for everyone. However, coming up very, very soon this week, we do have Yeezy 350 Mono Ice. This is the drop that a lot of people are anticipating, that a lot of people are getting ready for. I'm going to be trying my best for that one. Let's see how we do on the next episode.